Hi guys, this is James. So today I wanted to give you an update of my make money online journey since May 2021 up to now, end of December 2021. Now, don't get me wrong, I have been in the internet marketing field since January 2009, and from Jan 2009 up to May 2021, the 12-year period or so, I never made consistent money in any of the stuff that I had done in the past, and I never recovered my investments, except in this one program that I started this year. This is the Your Easy Way Out program developed by Brett Rutecky as well as Michael Thomas, aka Mike from Maine. Now, what made me decide to do this update is that yesterday my son had his driving test and he failed. Now, he didn't seem dejected at all, but I decided to use that as a teaching moment to tell him my experiences in this internet marketing or making money online segment. And when I came back from that test with him, I fired up my computer and I found that I had received another payment from JV Zoo for one of the offers that I have promoted there over the Black Friday weekend. So I used that to tell him that in life, sometimes when you fall, you got to pick yourself up and you got to keep going because you never know where success is going to come from and when it will come. So this is my update. If you are serious about making money online, jump in on this program. I love this program because the two guys are there every week mentoring the whole group of us. Secondly, you do not need to buy any equipment when you are following their steps. Everything is free, except for picking up that program, of course. And there is a group of us who will also help you. Now, we will subscribe to your channel, so that will give pretty good social signals to the search engines, as well as liking your videos. So, pretty good effort from the entire group. And we will also give you advice besides the two guys, Brett and Mike. Now, click on the link below to go through a webinar. You don't need to buy anything, but just discover the simple no-brainer method that these two guys are showing you using free tools and therefore making money with free tools. So you got nothing to lose. Click on that link below and go through the webinar.